Could you survive without technology? But we'd likely also say going a day without technology would be unrealistic and incredibly inconvenient. Thankfully, technology is everywhere. The baby stroller cooling fans, upgraded flexible stand uses a 6mm thicker high-quality aluminum bar, which can be bent any angle you want but durable all the time, allows the stroller fan clip on your stroller crib, supports 360 rotation and never separate. The clip-on stroller fan built with professional high-performance brushless motor, providing stronger wind with lower noisy. It is so quiet that your baby won't wake up after falling asleep. Bring a healthy and comfortable environment to your family. Boxlock is an internet-connected smart padlock that can be used for access control and securing any storage container that accepts a standard padlock. It's simple to use Boxlock. With the mobile application on Android or iOS, Boxlock users can open the lock or share access by texting or emailing barcodes to friends and family for one-time use, multiple users, or specific dates. Press the button on the top to scan a barcode. Each time a barcode is scanned, your Boxlock connects to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to confirm whether or not it should open. This latest version of Boxlock incorporates security enhancements and improved battery life. Boxlock must be in range of a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with an active internet connection for full functionality. The future is here. Meet this ultra-transportable bike lock that clips to your belt or easily slides into your bag or pocket. Finally, bike security that fits your unique style. This sold secure silver safety tool with patented anti-theft rivets is the perfect marriage of style and security, helping you look sleek without compromising on bike safety. Waterproof, weatherproof bicycle protector with solid protective rivets. Multi-locking anti-theft guard system and kit with 3 automotive-like safe keys. Do you ever drop your cell phone? Does your hand ever get sore from holding your smartphone? Do you ever struggle to find a practical cell phone stand that isn't big and bulky? If you had a small, portable phone stand that would easily fit into your pocket or purse, would you take it with you? If you can answer yes to any of these questions, then we have the solution for you. These issues were our motivation to invent Yubond, the world's best smartphone stand and holder, all in one. The stainless steel spring clip will securely attach to notebooks from 1mm to 3mm thick. Most notebooks would fit within this range. The metal hinge allows the Flipclip to pivot about the hinge so it can be laid flat on a desk or fixed against a book. The metal clip securely attaches to the cover of a notebook. The Pro charger is built for demanding users who require fast charging, superior electrical protections, flexibility, and visibility of power usage. It charges multiple USB devices at their fastest rate with no throttling. The Pro charger is built for demanding users who require fast charging, superior electrical protections, flexibility, and visibility of power usage. It charges multiple USB devices at their fastest rate with no throttling.